Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are switching back into maths, but with much more complex topics. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna study some polynomials and their division. So a polynomial, it can be any sort of x factor, like for example 3x squared plus x to the power of x plus 16. That is a polynomial. Or we have 16x to the power of 5 plus 4 to the x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 3 plus 8 to the x to the power of 2 minus 16x plus 82. That's a polynomial. Anything with like a x term and like this sort of formats. So when it comes to polynomial division, you'd usually get a question in this sort of format where it would be referred to as the normal thing, like say 6x to the power of 3 plus 7x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 2 divided by, and then you'd have a certain sort of another polynomial, but something like x plus 3, something simple as that. So you place it in terms of its normal division. So the denominator goes this side, x plus 3, and this numerator goes there. Let me remove those. 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 2. Right. So you look at the number to actually divide with the largest number. So to go from x plus 3 to 6x cubed, what would need to be done? Yeah, it's as simple as just multiplying x by 6x squared, right? So we multiply 6x squared by x and we get 6x cubed, but we also have the 3, so we multiply the 3 by 6x cubed and we get 18x squared. So what happens is, just like normal division, this entire thing would subtract, and because it's a sort of it's together, you have to, a minus sign would go on everything, so you need to put it in brackets. So then these two would cancel, and that would leave us with plus 7x squared and minus 18x squared, which would give us 11x squared minus 4x plus 2. Now to get from x plus 3 to 11x squared, or just x to 11x squared, what you would do is you would multiply by 11x. So we bring our 11x squared, because these two multiply, and 33x plus 33x, minus sign, brackets, close, these two cancel, minus 4x minus 33x gives us minus 37x plus 2. Now to get to from x to minus 37x, you just have to multiply by negative 37, and that would give you minus 37x, and 3 and minus 37 would give us just calculate the side. And it would be negative. Negative, yeah. Then it would be minus 111 brackets negative. This becomes positive, so these two cancel out. That also becomes positive, so this would become 113, and we end there. Now to actually put it into our answer format, we go back to our question and we would write equals to 6x squared plus 11x minus 37 plus 113 all over x plus 3. That would be your answer. Synthetic division, it's a completely different topic. It's just the shortcut to polynomial division, but it works much faster. Polynomial is much more simpler, but it is much more time taking and lengthy. We will go over synthetic division in another video, but for now this is all you need to know about polynomial division. This is the remainder will end up going here, and the denominator of the actual question will go under it to complete it. The quotient will become your answer along with the remainder, and you will need to know polynomial division for topics like polynomial division will need to be known for like the rational root theorem, I think, and a few more, but yeah, that's all you need to know for now. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.